might not have picked the best time to do this, but I'm going to attempt a notebook with Rosie. So, Rosie, what's the main thing you learnt about the rainforest?
Happy,
Rosie, what's the main thing you've learnt about the rainforest?
I don't know.
Is it the animals, the layers?
The layer.
The layers. What's the highest layer called? What's the highest layer called?
The bird.
What's the second layer down called?
The canopy.
Well done. What's the next layer down called?
The bottom.
What's the next layer down called?
The
Monkey moo. What's the next layer down called?
insect hotel.
No.
Insect hotel.
What's the next layer down called?
Insect hotel.
No, it's called under something. What's it called?
Understory.
Well done, the understory. What's the next layer down called?
The forest floor.
Well done. Can you name me some rainforest animals?
Jaguar.
Well done.
A bird.
That's a layer. What? Name me some animals.
I don't want birds.
Like what?
Eagles.
Well done. Harpy eagles. Anything else?
No.
What have we got on our ceiling?
Orangutan.
We've got orangutans.
A sloth.
A sloth. Well done.
Toucan.
Toucan. Macaw parrots. Well done.
A birdies. Birdies.
Yeah.
Anaconda.
An anaconda. Yeah. Well done.
A real anaconda.
Not a real anaconda. It'd eat us. What about what's sitting on our light switch?
Poison dart.
They're not poison dart frogs. They're different colours, the poison dart frogs. But they're blue and red. The green and red ones are the tree frogs. What about the big thing climbing up the tree at the bottom? What's the lowest thing on our tree? Tarantula, well done.
And then, what's this? The emergent layer. That's the emergent layer.
Oh no, we don't have the emergent layer. We couldn't go high enough. We've got the canopy up there. And then the frogs are on the understory. And then we've got nothing on the forest floor because we need to still be able to live in our living room.
Pig on the piglet.
What's been your favourite rainforest activity? Has it been dancing, Play-Doh animals? Has it been the making of any of the parrot? What's been your favourite rainforest activity?
Put my legs out to the side.
So the dancing, is it?
And stretching.
Stretching like a...
A wound squat. A wound squat. I'm doing a wound squat.
What's your favourite rainforest animal?
A wound squat.
What's your favourite rainforest animal, Babs?
A wound squat is a rainforest animal.
No, you're making something up now. Do you remember where the rainforests were that we were talking about?
I don't know.
Which one did we concentrate on? Was it the Congo or was it the Amazon? Yeah, she's whispering her answers. But she has, she's taken in everything that I wanted her to. The layers, the animals, which one we were doing. We're probably going to leave this up for another week, all the decorations, just because we don't have anything up for Joseph, so we'll just leave this up and take it down at the end of next week. So, Rosie Bear... Yeah, she's not in the mood to do this, but... Rosie Bear, what's been your favourite thing about the rainforest?
Kicking my legs.
Okay, so dancing, is it? Making up a rainforest dance?
Yeah.
Oh.
I want to watch jungle trees and the rainforest down. Trees and the rainforest down. Rainforest!
And she's learnt a song without me even knowing it.
This song.
Okay, we don't have long before we're going out, Bab. I'll put the music on for you, okay? I think she's going to be rainforest dancing for a while in her rah-rah skirt.
Now what does the rainforest tell you yet? Places dense and warm and wet. At the equator the whole world round, where the trees come up and the rain comes down. Rainforests, jungles where the wild things grow, from the Amazon to the Borneo. Rainforests, every kind of creature sure as you're born, from the tropic of Cancer to Capricorn. Everything grows into vines and shoots, flowers and brush and trees and fruits. Rainforests, green chameleon sticks out his tongue and turns a different color when the big stick comes.
Yeah. So that concludes our rainforest theme. I went short because it's summer and I know I want it longer when I want to do something with it, but I like it off my neck in the summer. Rosie has finished dancing, she's reading. I think she's hit her peak today of just feeling tired because she's not as run down today, but I think she's had enough for today. So yeah, that was our notebooking and our Rosie just finishing up with a nice dance for us because her grass skirt arrived.
Can we read this one?
We can read that one now, Babby. So we hope you liked our rainforest theme. We hope you've given you some nice ideas of what to do and how to decorate. But for now, it's ta-ta from me and ta-ta from...
Okay, but why did you buy
the
it?
Rosie Bear.
Who did?